Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your ink cartridges when the ink light is on or flashing. If we replace the ink cartridge while copying, the original may move out of place. So we have to open it and then we can perform it. We open the scanner and unit with the document cover closed. Then we operate the printer's button to move the ink cartridge holder. That means in the center you can see there is an icon which will show us in a couple of seconds what cartridge system is empty and has to be replaced. But the cartridge printer ad is still on the right side. So how we can bring it there is really easy, okay? We push this button there, okay? Keep holding a little bit. This is approximately 3 up to 5 seconds. And then you can see a little bit of action has happened. And then you can see here that it is. BK, Burger King. Oh no, black, okay? The black cartridge is empty or near empty. And the black cartridge should be replaced. But if there are more, you can push again on the button, on the circle, on the triangle round button, and then it will show the other until all empty cartridges are seen or shown to you, and then it will go to the area which we can maintain it. Okay, so that's easy, okay? Because on this area here, we cannot grab the cartridge system. But to grab them, this has to be, this cartridge holding system, this cartridge hub has to be in a maintenance place. So we push again the button and it's still in focus. That's good, isn't it? Now we are able to remove the cartridges itself. The ink cartridges are easily to remove, okay? It's really easy because we will clamp them together. We will push on the back side, we push on the front side. It's like you clamp it with your fingers a little bit, okay? And while you are clamping, or grabbing this ink cartridge system, you will move it easily upward. And if you move it upward, the cartridge ink comes out. Good job, baby. When replacing the black ink cartridge, gently, we have to shake the new black ink cartridge 4 or 5 times. And then we remove it from its package, okay? Because the black should be shaken anymore. When replacing the other color cartridge, we remove the new color cartridge from the package without shaking, okay? This is important. Good job. Here we are. These are the new cartridge ink system. We will replace all, okay? I will show you. We remove only the yellow tape, okay? That's all. We do not have to remove other components of this ink cartridge. Okay? This is impossible. This is possible because it's important. We do not touch the section on the bottom side, okay? Doing so may prevent normal operation and printing. Then it's really easy to get it back in position. We insert the new ink cartridge and then we press it down firmly. You can see the cartridge hub is still in center, in maintenance area, and we now get it in position and push it back. Push it down a little bit, and of course take care the chip, okay? The board, the information board has to be looking into the right side. This is really good to reach because you can remove, you cannot attach them in the false division. Okay, the BK, the Y, the J, the C, the M is showing to you, and the board is looking in the other side. So now we insert all of them. Then, of course, we have to close the scanner. That's enough. And or we press the triangle and round button again. That means this gets back this cartridge system into position. It will makes a little performance there, it checks a little bit, and then it's ready to use. The Epson XP-2100 is now replaced with new ink. That's awesome. And it's easy, as you can see. It's really smart what Epson designed there, because there is no screen which show us which cartridge we have to replace. But it's easy. We open the lid, then we push and hold the button, 3 up to 5 seconds, and then the printer will show us the empty cartridge system. That's easy. Then we push again until all shown us, and then we can remove them because it will go in a maintenance situation, and then we can replace the cartridge inks easily. After this, you're ready to have new awesome adventures with your new cartridge system. It's easy to get it back in position, push the blue lever back, push again, job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's cool. Soon.